Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to do our very first morning bin activity. So I have out my can of Play-Doh and my Play-Doh name mat. Now, you're going to build your name. I'm going to show you with my name. I'm going to get my Play-Doh out and take a chunk, and I'm going to roll it. And then I'm going to take off a piece because I don't think I need that long of a piece to make my P. And I'm going to put it on my mat. I don't need that big of a piece. So I'm going to mold it again. And I'm going to wrap it around to make my P. Then I'm going to take another piece and I'm going to roll it and make a circle. And take another little piece to make the line for my A. Now, friends, I'm going to build the rest of my name. You can go ahead and get started building your name with your Play-Doh that was in your brown bag and your Play-Doh name mat that's in your week 1 bag.